Hey y'all, hey. So with this client today, we are just doing like a mini trim. Then we're gonna add some long layers, and then we're gonna do like nose length curtain bang, and then we're gonna frame it down just so that it connects. And yeah, that's pretty much all we're doing. This is before I started to like my razor again. Oh, maybe I'm lying. I lied. Sorry, y'all. This one is my razor. I was about to say, well, maybe I didn't use my razor in this one. I definitely did. Because there was like a long period of time that like I stopped using my razors for a face frame for a minute because I started to get annoyed by it. And then I liked the feeling of just sliding my shears down. But now I am back into using my razor to like slide down because it works so much faster than just gliding my scissors down. So yeah, I used my shear. I didn't, girl. I used my razor for my face frame today. And then I'm going to go back to my shears and add all of her longer layers. Y'all, I'm really big on sectioning. I cut my hair a little bit different in present time too. Like I do my face frame first now and then cut like the base perimeter layer and then go on with my layers. I do it, girl, yeah, I do it way different. But I am big on like sectioning. So like I will cut the layers for the sides. Like I would take my face framing part and like part it towards the ear and then connect it to the back and then cut that layer so that the layers can connect from ear to ear so it doesn't create a hole. And then I'll go, once I'm done with that on both sides, then I'll go back and connect the layers from in the back. Y'all just seen what I just did. I'm connecting the layers right now. I hope that is making sense, y'all. And then I'll just go section by section. How I do this is that I basically split the back of the head into fours. So like the midsection's one, and then you do like 2 sections on that side, and then you do 2 sections on the other. So it's technically 5 because like I really don't count the middle section as like a section that's just like a starter section. Y'all get it. Y'all see it. Y'all see me doing it right now. Just take the whole point is just to take the hair in sections, y'all. I am also about to do some round brush curls on her. I feel like the best way that you can do round brush curls is if you have your blow dryer on medium heat, medium setting, and then just like let it set and like leave it alone. Like don't even touch it. Let the curl set, and like it will give that blowout bouncy feel that it's currently trending right now. If you want your blowout to even be like more curlier, you gotta pin curl it. That is like the best thing that you can do. If you want your blowout to end up to be more curlier, you can pin curl it, you can Velcro curl it, you can put it in a flexi rod, girl, you can do whatever. It's just that I don't got time for that in my blowouts unless it's just like, if you just book a blowout with me, I can do that. But like if you get a haircut and blowout and if you wanted that, you gotta let me know ahead of time so I can extend that time, because it does take like a little minute to like blow dry the hair, pin curl it, and then girl, it's a lot. So I just say if you want to do this to a client, just make sure you have enough time for it. For a little bit of reference of how much time I got during the haircut, it's like 45 minutes. It used to be an hour, but I cut it down to 45 minutes because I can have everything cut and dry and you can be up and on your way in 45. You know what I'm saying? You see how her layers are sitting? They look so bouncy and luscious. Like, look at that. I do want to give y'all a little disclaimer too. With this video, for some reason, I cannot find the ending. Like, I think my phone died. This is like an older video, like at least 6 months. Like, y'all, got so many old videos in my arsenal that like I am trying to like edit, and that's why I took a little bit of a break so that I could edit and then do a voiceover so that I can already have these. I can dish them out every day. I'm trying to get to a point where I have at least 45 days worth of content. See, my girl about to leave out here looking good. But yeah, y'all, this is the end of the video. All right, y'all, see you in my next one. Bye.